In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add filter logic in Salesforce. Whether you're new to Salesforce or just looking to refine your reporting skills, this tutorial will guide you through the process with ease. So sit back and follow along as we delve into the world of Salesforce reports. First, let's start by navigating to the Salesforce homepage. Once you're logged into your Salesforce account, you should see the familiar interface with various options laid out for you. Don't get overwhelmed by all the features. We're going to focus specifically on reports today. Next, direct your attention to the upper side panel. You'll see a tab labeled Reports. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the Reports homepage, where all your reports are listed. If you're dealing with a lot of data, having well-organized reports can be incredibly helpful. Now, from the list of reports, select the one you wish to work on. Simply click on it to open it up. This is the report you'll be adding filter logic to, which will allow you to specify the data you want to display based on certain criteria. Once your report is open, you'll notice an option labeled Edit located in the upper right corner. Click on it. This will switch your report to the editing mode, giving you access to make changes and add filters as necessary. With the report now in edit mode, look over to the left-hand side menu. Here, you'll find the option labeled Filters. Click on it. This menu is where the magic happens. It's where you can refine your data and improve the accuracy and relevance of your report. Now that you're in the Filters menu, you can add your filter. This step involves specifying the conditions that the data must meet to be included in the report. For example, you might want to filter by date range, by specific account types, or by any other criteria relevant to your needs. Adding filters is a powerful way to hone in on exactly the data you're interested in. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the steps to add filter logic in Salesforce. By adding filters, you ensure that your reports are not just a collection of data, but a targeted and insightful tool that can drive better decision-making. Remember, the more you customize your reports, the more valuable they become. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to save your changes in Salesforce to ensure all your hard work is preserved. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to explore Salesforce's help resources or reach out to a Salesforce administrator for assistance. Thank you for watching, and happy reporting.